public speaking? Can anybody tell? Public speaking is an art, but so many people thinks it is not required for all. But dear, this is required for all. Either we may be an engineer, software engineer, doctors, accountant, office manager, whatever we are. We may think this is not required. Do you have this question? But I am a software engineer, I don't require any public speaking skills. But why? It is required for everyone. Now, how to acquire this skill? This is the very basic question. How we can improve our public speaking? And if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So that today we will only tell you about the 5 public speaking skills. First is clear your topic. Whenever you go for some meeting, whenever you want to address the gathering, whenever you want to address your team or colleagues, you should have the topic. You should know the topics properly. You should know the topic properly. What is the topic? What the whole idea behind this? What you want to say? What is the whole idea behind this topic? What you want to say? So you should practice very much about your topic. You should practice. Number 2, remember your speaking goal. Dear, what you want to say? What you want to explain? How you will start? How you will end? What is the message you want to give? And how much impact it should be there? You should know your goal. Third and foremost points, address with the point to point. Means describe your address in a narrative way, in a short form, you want to say short form with the point. Know all those things. Fourth and foremost important point, whatever point you are saying to your team, you should have one example. Or we can say some story. So that it can suit to your point. So you should have that correct story with the point. With your fifth point, very much important, use a presentation, PPTs. But that should not be the old fashioned PPTs like slides and boring PPTs. It should have some motions, animations, audios, and some sort of songs if you want to say something in an energetic way. And very good examples in that, so that people should have an attraction to listen to you. So these are the 5 basic elements every speaker should have. If good speaking skills you have, you can make a good impact, or you can create a good impact. So dear friends, this everybody required speaking skills, presentation skills. Just forget it, whatever you are. Whenever we are in service, we are a manager of somewhere, we are a teacher, we are a lecturer. Just forget everything. Everybody required speaking skills. Thank you very much. Bye bye.